Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'm very happy to see you all of you here in our course, AutoCAD architectural course. So let me tell you. See, we are from Bhavanams. So this is presented by Bhavanams University in BTech Civil Engineering. So let me go to the AutoCAD architectural. So this is our structural processor. So let me see this. What is the AutoCAD? So AutoCAD introduction. Let me give you today. So see this AutoCAD introduced by Autodesk Incorporation company. Okay. So see this. So we are using this AutoCAD. That's the main important thing. Guys, see this. Just imagine this will be worked out in a 2020 century. Just imagine, is this workout in a 2020 century? See how the people will work without AutoCAD. See this. How the engineers, okay, these guys are all are engineers. How they are work in before AutoCAD. See how they are working. So this just imagine. Okay, we can't imagine this situation. So when come to here, see this. These are the charts and these are some drafters and these things. By using these things, they spend nearly a lot of time to produce one drawing, okay, by manually. So I hope this will be never imagined. Why? Because let me tell you why it will be never work out. We are in a 2020, okay, 20th century. What the BIM technology will do? See, whatever the modeling. See, if you have a work, okay, regarding some high-rise building, the BIM technology will give you all the operation and maintenance work and the construction logistics and the construction 5D and 4D fabrication, documentation, visualization, analysis, and detailed design, conceptual design for programming and renovation, demolition. Okay, these all things will be at a one single step. Okay, this is our AutoCAD architecture and step-by-step process. In this getting started, we already discussed about this AutoCAD intro. Okay, introduction about AutoCAD. And in this session, we are going to discuss about CAD commands. So what are the CAD commands we have, and those things we need to know. And we have a lot of CAD commands in a CAD software. Okay, these see whenever if you go for the some other software like a JWCAD and BricsCAD, so same it is also CAD, computer aided design. Okay, so there also you need to use the same commands. If you use F1, what will happen if you type in AutoCAD F1? Okay, it will give you the help command. Okay, whatever the help you need in a AutoCAD, you need to type a F1. And if you go to F2, it is a text screen. And if you go to F3, the object snap. Okay, wherever you need to snap that, so you need to click on F3. And this is the total your computer keyboard. Okay, so which command will help you to get those options? There you work faster. See. Okay, why we are using commands? Okay, so if you go to AutoCAD, I didn't open the AutoCAD right now, so I can't show you that AutoCAD. So in the AutoCAD, if you see, this is your AutoCAD interface. Okay, so here you get a menus here, and here is a modify tools, and like this. Here you already, if you see that, here you have a line. Okay, here you have a polyline. All these copy and move, everything will be visible to your eye. So whenever if you wanted to choose a new file, you need to go to template, and here we have a default template. See, acad.dwt. So this is a English. See, if you see in the downside name, so normal English feet and inches drawing template. Okay, this is the default template we wanted to use. And if you come to here, here is a file. So if suppose you have another, someone will share you with one file, so one CAD file. So you need to click on here, open file. So right now, so this is an important option. Okay, whenever if you wanted to dealing with, if you wanted, suppose if you wanted to draw one mechanical equipment, okay, like a range or anything, so the range will be in a meters. Okay, all the dimensions they given in a mm. So you need to give you need to tell to AutoCAD, so my drawing will be in a meters. Okay, so like that you need to give some options here. So my drawing will be, this is a units, in the sense this is a input. Okay, remember this, units is a input. Yes. And so if I just take a line, so here is my line, and somewhere here I need to draw it, and he see exactly in this alignment I need to attach my, I need to draw up to this point only. So at the time, what I need to do, I just place this one, my cursor only. I can't select this one. I just place this one. I see, I try to align this one. Okay, I try to snap this one. See, exactly these two blue lines will be same. Okay, whenever you just enable a dynamic input option, so you can see the whatever the input you are going to give, that input you can see it. And here is the selection cycle. So allow the selection. Oh, bottom to right, you need to see the quadrant and the distance, and these all things we can adjust as per our convenience. Okay, I hope this is clear. So these all the options I explained. And see, here is the annotation button. Okay, so if suppose if you right now if you just click on here, this will be the dropping and annotation. And this is a 3D. If I just draw one line here, exactly from here to here. See this, how much is this line length? So my bedroom will be 14 feet into 13 feet. 14 feet is the x direction. Okay, so if you know these basic things, this is a x direction, and into this is a y direction. Y direction in the sense, if you just suppose this is x and this is a y direction, right? About the step 2. Okay, so come to the step 2. This is an important thing which all the civil engineers need to consider. Okay, what is that client requirements? Okay, without client we never get any work. Okay, if we have a client, so the client has some requirements. Okay, as per their requirements, we need to give our drawings or anything. Okay, so we need to consider the requirements of the client first. So based upon that requirement, we need to work out, and after that we need to show them what are the things they mention. Okay, then after that, if he is completely agree, he will approve that, and he can take our drawings for the further process. So that's the main thing. And if we have a client, what are the main requirements? And these client requirements also, as an engineer, we need to know which requirements will help us to draw the drawing. Okay, so here somewhere you will get a bedroom, and somewhere here we will get a bathroom. If it is a single story building, no need to worry. And if it is a G plus 10 story building, in the first floor, what are the things things you need to consider. Okay, somewhere you already told that so in the first floor I need to give it as a some clothes, some fashion materials, and in the second floor I need to give it as a games, and the third floor I need to give it as a ornaments and like a gold and these things, and the fourth floor I need to leave it for some games or food items, and like that we need to plan it. I propose to drawing on paper, and one thing is whenever we are going to draw on paper, so we need to consider two steps. Okay, one is the decide setbacks in four directions as per the GVMC rules or as per AP government rules. Okay, so if it is if you are in somewhere and you need to consider AP. Okay, not only GVMC in the sense Greater Visakhapatnam, where you have a see this, you have a like this, you have a flat. Okay, this is your site. Somewhere you got a highway. Okay, so if it is a highway or BRTS road, BRTS road means see this, BRTS road means here is for some the middle one is for only buses. Okay, so city buses, this type and this will be mostly, it will be going to some 20 meters or 30 meters. Okay, at the time how much setbacks you need to remove at this front side. Okay, how much setback, how much length of the setback you need to remove at this side. So that what we are dealing here. See this, if it is and this will be north and the south and the west. So based upon that, client requirement is 54 in the south direction. My client said, yeah, my 54 is in the south direction. Oh, yes, in this south, and the 32 is a 34 will be in the east side. Okay, so you can see here 34 in the east direction. Okay, based upon, and after that, my client requirement is building facing and existing road width and roads and width of the road. My client say they need a building
Good
placing.
evening, all of you. Thank you so much for joining with us in the third day of workshop. So in this session, we are going to discuss about draw external and internal walls. In yesterday's session, we already discussed out about how to set a project units as an input and how to set a dimensions as output. And also we seen how we can take one picture from anywhere and how we can scale it and how we can make it as an AutoCAD file. And also the PDF, how can you convert the PDF into AutoCAD file? These are all things we discussed yesterday. So in this session, we are going to discuss
cover.
how.
And one thing is column positioning and orientation. We will discuss a brief in your architectural drawing. Whenever we are going for the E-tabs, at the time we will discuss more things. Okay, so don't worry about it. That's not an issue. We will discuss more things while we are going for work on your project. So is the step 2 we need to cover right now, working with the layout. Okay, what are the layout for some minimum column size? See guys, minimum column and beam sizes as per 13920 2016. What 13920, this is the ductile detailing code book. Okay, so you can see these clauses in that code book as well. So if you wanted to verify this, and you can go and search on the this code book and see this is a standard column sizes. It depends upon the shuttering width, shuttering material. Okay, tell you what is this. Yeah, this is a master bedroom, and here is a master bedroom, and this one is a children's bedroom. Okay, and come to here for coming to inside. Here we have a door, and for this children bedroom, we will get a door here, and this is a common toilet for everyone, for all the purpose. Whoever will come as a guest, they can use this toilet. And come to here, this is an attached toilet. We will get a door here. Okay, exactly, door here, and this is attached for master bedroom. See, whenever we are deciding this means room positions, always master bedroom having an attached toilet. Okay, but come to children bedroom, we don't need to give a children bedroom attached toilet, but specifically the client will ask you, I need a two attached bathrooms for two bedrooms. So at the time, what we need to do, we need to make it. See, if the client don't need a attached toilet, I will give a door here. Otherwise, if